two kind of knives.
Do you want to use this?
Or this one. This one is the old school. This one is a safer one.
I prefer old school.
In a sense that you have a guard. So you don't use this like this. You put your finger behind the guard. Very important.
That's fine.
This is a little bit more rough. When I learned and I had none of this, we used to use a boning knife. The problem is, so if you could, you have a glove, like a mesh glove, that will help. If you don't, you use either tea towel or something quite strong.
So they've been cleaned now. They've been cleaned, eh?
They've been cleaned around. Yeah, they've been washed around it.
Do you, what
Oh,
knife do you prefer, chef? Because I prefer the wooden one. I feel like that gets uncomfortable after a while because you're pushing your.
Because you're pushing.
Yeah.
So some people will grab them and they will aim for here. Here or there. So you always go a little bit under. And you will wiggle around. Make sense? The safe way really is to go here and put your hand over. You go, you dig. No, it doesn't want to. You go, you dig.
Should we make a minute first or?
No. So you wig around, and then you will feel.
And then.
That's it.
Yeah, you hear the pop. So here, now I know because of the anatomy of the oyster, the little ligament here is there, right there on the left hand side. So it's no point to go to the right. You go to the left, you grab the oyster, you lever, and then you cut here. Okay? So here you can see they've been out of the sea for a while. Normally that would be full of water. How do you know they're alive as well? If they're still alive, if you push this and look at the reaction. See how it retracts?
It's defending itself.
It's defending itself, yeah, it's alive. So here you like to here you like to do this and cut this a little bit.
And you flip it.
What a weird thing, eh?
And you flip it.
And then just to clean it, you can dip it in just some fresh water or something, if you want.
So you still have this there. That's where you.
And the other way to make your oysters like milky is if you stab it while you're shucking them, because then it will release all of its stuff, and that makes all the water move.
So you see, I remove all the water, and we're gonna try to see how much water that oyster spits out to reproduce it, to make sure it survives.
Put garlic on toast.
This one is much better, and much fresher. You can see they're very clear, very nice.
This is actual rock salt. It's not flaky salt. What the fuck is that shit? It's cheap up and hard. What is it? Rock salt.
Do you know Gerald Fraser, chef? Oyster shucking king.
Yeah.